Hello guys, hello guys, welcome back to a new video. And you're like, what's that? It sounds like air. Well, it is air because it seems like we're gonna have some strong winds and a little bit of hail and some thunderstorms. So it's kind of windy. So I think they say that's gonna go reach up to 50. So yeah, well, that's gonna kind of cook. And here's more cooked, bro. We have so many things in here. Did you hear the... Is that an airplane? Is it starting? Or is that an air... Bro! Ignore that. It's gas. No, it's not. It's not pee. It's not. It's a liquid. It's for your stove. Yeah, it fell over. It's not pee, bro. It's not pee. It's coming out. Oh, it's not pee, bro. Bro, it's not pee, bro. There's a lot of winds too, bro. I'm scared for tonight. It's just gonna rain really bad. And I'm gonna be woke up. I'm gonna do a little video of me staying up late. But this is gonna get crazy later. Last night I could hear the wind. I heard like the winds were going like I'm gonna jump scare you, bro. Because sometimes winds make sound when they're going fast. Bro, leaves are falling off my tree. No, bro. Oh my god. Good to know there's no storm clouds, so we're fine. If there was storm clouds, we would have a tornado watched. So there's strong winds. We're in a dark green, so that means that rain coming. So this is gonna come at 1 a.m. Let's see the rain. Boop. You've seen the video that thunder 3, 2, 1 and thunder. Yo, what's that? Oh, sick man, bro. Well, bye guys. See you in the next video.